This is your girl Renee from Renee's Garden, and today I am going to see if I was able to get any sweet potatoes. So I am going to pull that blue bucket over to my wheelbarrow, and I'm going to dump it in the wheelbarrow, and we're going to see what we have received. Hopefully we'll get some sweet potato. So let's get this party started. You ready? Let's go. See all these potatoes here. Look at all these vines. All these. So far, we found a couple of sweet potatoes. I'm so excited. Let's see. Got a good one. Struggling with this bucket, but I'm gonna get it. There we go. Perfect. All right, let's see. Whew. sweet potatoes. Not bad, huh? Look, I got at least this is better than my regular potato haul. I got me some good sweet potatoes. Those. A small one. A small one. Another one. Good one. Small baby one. That's a good one. Oh, at least I can say that's something. Alright, let's bring them here. And I'll bring them over to the table and we can really see my sweet potato haul. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put them on the table and then we'll go over there and we will see what our sweet potato haul looks like. Because I think we did good. We did real good. Let's see if I can get them on the table here. Do you see them? They did good. I got a good one. This is a little small little baby one. But this is a nice one. And this one's a good one right here. Nice size. That one. And this one's like has a whole bunch. So I don't want to pull too hard because I don't want to break the sweet potatoes. But you guys seen this one with all this. That's fabulous. And you got this. I'm so proud. First time doing my sweet potatoes. So overall, this is my sweet potato harvest in those big buckets that I got from Target. This is my sweet potato haul. Yay! And you know I love getting my fingers wet. So I think overall I did pretty good. So let me bring you on back up. And so we can talk a little bit. But of all the sweet potatoes that I've gotten, I think I did pretty good for my sweet potato haul. Not bad, huh? Not bad. I'm so pleased. So I know next year I will be doing a bigger area for sure. Alright guys, I wanted to just bring you my sweet potato haul and let you know this is what I was able to harvest out of my 2 buckets, which I really didn't put a lot of sweet potato vines in that first bucket, but that second bucket I loaded up and this was my results. So this is your girl saying, I did pretty good on my first time harvesting my sweet potatoes. Alright guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Get out there and get your sweet potatoes harvested because I have some work to do in my garden because I still have to, because as you can see over here, down below, you can see that I have put some of my cabbage plants over here in my containers, but I'm going to take some of these out and I'm going to put them over in that planter box that my husband made for me, because I know cabbages get really, really big, so I need to make sure I give them ample space in order to grow. So, and I have a whole bunch of the ones up above too. Let me show you. So I have them on my, put them on my planter boxes. More cabbage over here. I have more cabbage that I planted here that I'm going to put in my planter box over there, because you know cabbages get really, really big. So I'm so excited that I was at least able to find some cabbage, because you know on my previous searches I've been looking for my broccoli, cauliflower, but I don't know where they're at. So I just have to be satisfied with my cabbage. And I got my carrots, and I planted a couple more seeds. So if that is all that I can harvest for my fall garden, I'm not going to complain. I'll be happy with that. All right, guys, let me know what you are growing for your fall garden, and I will be back with you later on today, maybe to show you what other kind of things I'm going to discover in my garden today. All right, guys, hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you real soon. Take care.